everything begins and ends with relationship. That we proactively are spending time with our kids.
Yeah, I'm not the one who has almost all of the black chips.
So somebody's mad.
Yeah, me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so because I don't have any black chips.
Or blue.
Or blue.
At this point, we're about a half hour into the game, and I know that the dealer is a little reckless when it comes to her flaunting and throwing out chips, hence why her stack is so short right now, and why they are now trying to color shame each other as far as chip size.
A very moderate amount of white attack.
Now, usually when it comes to off-suited, low number cards, I don't usually play these types of hands, but I figured an hour or a half hour into the game, I'm already chip leader. Why not have a little fun with it? Now, with the $2 big blind buy-in, I really didn't have a choice but to kind of play the hand out because my son didn't raise on the flop. So as far as the cards that were laid out, it came out for a trip for me on the threes. So I decided, let's see how far we could take this.
Imagine there's another 3.
And that's why I only raised the $2, because as far as them already knowing there's another 3 out there, she's already exposed to me that she doesn't have the 3. And because my son didn't start giggling, I knew he didn't have the 3.
Oh, and he shot the hypocrisy, which is with the iron. The other 3 pops up.
No, it's a 9.
Of course, I had the 3. So I said, let's see how far we could even take this even further. Maybe I can add on some chores onto this bet. Or better yet, maybe I can add on some credit to this bet and have them ante up for chores in the future that I could put on hold, such as how many times who is going to take the dog out in the next week, according to who loses the hand the worst.
Your whole life saving.
Almost. Dad, you have a 3, don't you?
Relationship.
Wow.
I called it.
I can tell you
Absolutely.
that my dad spent time with me. That really kind of the glue where his leadership of me began and ended was him just kind of picking me the arrow up and keeping me in his hand. He invested time with me.